Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to put you through on how to withdraw dollars from Bamboo to your Nigeria account. Let's talk about how you can pull your dollars out of Bamboo and get them into your Nigeria bank account. Important thing you need to know upfront is that since Nigeria banks don't hold dollar balance directly the same way, your dollars get converted into naira in the process. Let's get through it. Step 1. Sell your stock first if needed. If your money is tied up in a US stock, you need to sell it first. Once sold, the proceeds land in your USD wallet, but they don't withdraw instantly. It takes about 2 to 3 business days for funds to settle before you can withdraw them, as is standard with global markets. Step 2. Go to your Nigeria wallet. To get your Nigeria wallet, you click on your total wallet in USD. Then the Nigeria wallet will be showing. After successfully selling your stock, your balance is going to appear here. Step 3. Convert your USD to naira. If your funds are sitting in USD wallet, you will need to convert them to naira first. Bamboo will apply current exchange rate to this conversion, so the rate of the day you convert affects how much naira you actually receive. Step 4. Select your bank account. Click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, your already saved account details you want to transfer to and input your transaction PIN. If it's your first time, you need to add a bank account number. But note that a new bank account will require verification from Bamboo's compliance team before it can be used. Now, for you to withdraw, you have to have a certain amount in your account. Then you have to click the withdrawal section, then follow the prompt by adding your account number. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal. Review the amount and your account details, then confirm. Once submitted, your withdrawal enter processing. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw dollars from Bamboo to your Nigeria bank account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.